Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. This lock is a Union 2101 5-lever lock. I managed to acquire new old stock and I'm very pleased to have gotten one. Why, I hear you ask? Well, this particular lock model is described by the lever lock legend Chris Evans as number 10 on his pick list. He has listed 10 lever locks that should teach you from no open to woohoo, another open. So why this lock? Well, this lock has no false gates. This means that you only have to lift the levers as they bind. If you are too heavy-handed, you can also learn tension control. If you ease off the tension ever so slightly, the overlifted lever will fall and hopefully be in the correct position for the open. I'm hoping to acquire more of his recommended locks and continue to learn lever locks and all of their secrets. Thanks for watching and I will see you all next time.